look like Rudolph. Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. We are stuck inside during a snowstorm that's currently happening in Texas. So let me show you guys. This is just my backyard and what you can see from here. But I'll show you guys a little bit more once I head outside. Currently, it's a new year. And I decided to start 75 Hard on the 2nd of January. Can't really drive to go to the gym because, you know, so I will be running. We're going on a 45-minute run outside. This is my outfit. This is my outfit for the run. I tried to do layers, but I'm gonna get so hot when I start running. So I just want to keep it as simple as possible. Take some pre-workout and get everything we need for this run. Kind of regretting my decision, but we're gonna do this. Yay, I guess. No. Refreshing. Okay, see you guys later. Okay guys, I just got back inside. To start, it was a little bit difficult because like the actual like snow flakes were hitting my face, which are really thick. So I was kind of like, why didn't you want to go outside and run? All the doggies are outside. And they were having so much fun. Why didn't you? I'm gonna go ahead and do abs. Times 3 sets of 25. I'm about to do the rest and then I'll see you guys once I'm making my breakfast. It's a little bit later and I'm gonna cook some food for me to eat, high protein meal. And protein yogurt and some fruit. I like to skin yogurt parfait with protein granola and strawberries and protein yogurt, 3 Kodiak protein pancakes, egg whites, and some fruit and orange juice with chlorophyll in it for the rest of the day. Okay guys, so I was eating. Mom just told me that we do not have school tomorrow and that they just sent an email to cancel it. Okay guys, so I'm out of the shower and I got cozy in my bed. Look at this nice fat pimple on my nose that decided to join me for life. Now well, now I'm laying down, but I want to find something to watch, but I just can't. So I don't know if I'm gonna watch YouTube or like find a show on Netflix to watch. But what I do know what I want to do is create my vision board and update my iPad. I haven't turned on my iPad in so long. Anyways, I would just like, I guess I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. My mom asked me to open the garage for her and the rat went running. I don't know what to do. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, January 10th, the next day. I'm not feeling too good. My throat hurts. I have the fattest pimple on my nose. Like, oh my gosh, do you see that? I still have to work out and stuff because I'm still doing 75 hard, so I'm not gonna not do that because I need to like keep going. Anyway, I'm about to eat. I think I'm gonna make some avocado toast today. Hopefully the avocados are soft enough now. It's supposed to like freeze rain overnight, so it's supposed to be icy now. So let me show you guys the outside. So it's currently snowing and this is what my backyard looks like so far. So I just got myself like a little bit like started ready. So I washed my face, tried to get this pimple off. Now I have a pimple patch over it. And then I brushed my teeth and stuff. Okay guys, so I'm still here doing nothing. So I'm playing games on my iPad. The roads aren't bad. She's gonna pick me up and we're gonna go to the gym because I need to go to the gym. Kind of wrapping up this little snowstorm, thank God. Like, I'm glad I got to be out of school, but like, at the same time, I have stuff to do. So I came outside to take my dog out and it's literally snow everywhere. This is my car and there was snow all on it, but my mom cleaned it off for me at that. And then on top of our house, there's literally snow. We're back inside and I'm about to, let's just take a shower and honestly get ready for bed. I'm out the shower and I still have this fat pimple on my freaking nose. And look at this. I look like Rudolph. Help. That honestly, thanks guys for watching. That concludes me and my, what was that, 48 hours? I was like about, that was about 48 hours in the snow. I mean, yeah, snowstorm. Whatever, same thing, okay? And don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I look like Rudolph.